I give to charity. I give to charity. I like to help people. I like to help people. She donates money every month. She donates money every month. He gives food to the poor. He gives food to the poor. We volunteer at the shelter. We volunteer at the shelter. They help homeless people. They help homeless people. I want to make a difference. I want to make a difference. She works at a charity shop. She works at a charity shop. He collects clothes for families. He collects clothes for families. We give old toys to children. We give old toys to children. I donate to a local school. I donate to a local school. She helps sick children. She helps sick children. He buys food for the elderly. He buys food for the elderly. They raise money for hospitals. They raise money for hospitals. I sign up to volunteer. I sign up to volunteer. She organizes a charity event. She organizes a charity event. He shares his lunch with others. He shares his lunch with others. We visit the children's home. We visit the children's home. I feel happy when I help. I feel happy when I help. She reads to elderly people. She reads to elderly people. He gives blankets to the homeless. He gives blankets to the homeless. They collect money at school. They collect money at school. I drop coins in the donation box. I drop coins in the donation box. She packs bags of food. She packs bags of food. He plants trees in the community. He plants trees in the community. We clean the park together. We clean the park together. I teach English for free. I teach English for free. She gives water to thirsty people. She gives water to thirsty people. He helps build houses for the poor. He helps build houses for the poor. They send books to children. They send books to children. I support a children's charity. I support a children's charity. She bakes cakes to raise money. She bakes cakes to raise money. He walks to raise money for charity. He walks to raise money for charity. We donate warm clothes in winter. We donate warm clothes in winter. I give my time to help others. I give my time to help others. She smiles and says thank you. She smiles and says thank you. He feels proud of his good work. He feels proud of his good work. They help people after a disaster. They help people after a disaster. I share my things with my neighbors. I share my things with my neighbors. She collects toys for poor children. She collects toys for poor children. He gives money to a food bank. He gives money to a food bank. We care about our community. We care about our community. I believe kindness is important. I believe kindness is important. She posts about charity online. She posts about charity online. He tells his friends to donate. He tells his friends to donate. They work together as a team. They work together as a team. I feel good when I give. I feel good when I give. She thanks the volunteers warmly. She thanks the volunteers warmly. He always gives with a kind heart. He always gives with a kind heart. We can all help in small ways. We can all help in small ways. Small acts of kindness matter. Small acts of kindness matter. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.